Hi, hello children, how are you all? Welcome back to my class. Today in this class we are going to continue our same lesson of maths, that is division. So open page number 93. Division. So children, in the previous class you have learned that divided numbers by grouping, and you have learned that division is a repeated subtraction, and you learn how to compare the multiplication and division, multiplication fact and the division facts, right? So today in this class let us start with another topic, that is dividing by one digit number without remainder. So open page number 101. Okay, so let's take one example to understand what is this dividing by one digit number without remainder. Okay children, so children, can you see this example? 148 divided by 4, right? So this 148 is called the dividend and this 4 is called the divisor. Okay, so 148 is called dividend. Dividend means the number which is to be divided is called the dividend, and this 4 is called the divisor, means the number by which the dividend is divided is called the divisor. Okay, so how to write this number? First we have to write this 148, it is a dividend like this, then 4 will be here on the left side. Okay, so here this is a divisor and this is the dividend. Okay, now let us see how to divide the numbers. So children, here you have to read the tables till you get the number 1, this one. Okay, 4 ones are 4. See, you have to read the table till you get the number 1 in the table. 4 ones are 4. We are not having the 1 in the 4 table, right? So in this case what you have to do, you have to move to the next digit. So it will become 14. So here you can see the 1, it is the smallest number than the 4, right? So 1 is smaller than the 4, so we can't divide 1 by 4, right? So that time we have to take another digit and it will become 14. Now you have to count the 4 table till you get the number 14. Yes, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. So see, 4 fours are 16, 4 threes are 12, right? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. 16 is bigger than the 14, right? So don't take this 14 because it is bigger than the 14. So instead of that we have to take the lesser number. So which is the lesser number here? 12. So 4 threes are 12. We'll take this 12. So we'll write here 4 threes are 12. So we multiplied this 4 3 times to get 12, right? So 4 threes are 12. Now let's subtract it. 4 minus 2 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, next bring this next digit down. So it will become 8. So total it will become 28. Now children, count the table of 4 till you get the number 28 in that table. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, right? 4 sevens are 28, right? So we multiplied 4 7 times to get the 28, right? So how many times? It is 7 times. So 4 sevens are 28, right? Let's subtract it. 8 minus 8, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 0 is 0. Understood? So what is the answer here? 37. So children, this is called the dividend. This number is called the dividend, means the number which is to be divided is called the dividend, and this number is called the divisor, means the number by which the dividend is divided. So that is called the divisor, and the here quotient means the result of the division is called the quotient. The result of this division is called the quotient, and here this This is the remainder. Okay, means what remains after the division. So what remains after the division? So that is called the remainder. Understood? And this remainder is always less than this divisor. Okay, so always this remainder is less than the divisor. Understood, children? So now come to the page number 103. Exercise 6.2. Fill in the blanks with suitable answer. Okay, so here 42 divided by 6 is equal to how much? Okay, so let's divide it. 42 is a dividend and 6 is a divisor. So we'll write here 42 is dividend and 6 is a divisor. Okay, let's divide it. So the 4, this first number is smaller than the 6. So we can't divide 4 by 6, right? So we have to take the another next digit. So it will become 42. Understood, children? So see here, this 4 is smaller than this 6. This is a divisor. So in this case, we have to take the another digit also. The next digit we have to take. Okay, so it will become 42. Now let us count the 6 table to get the 42. Okay, so 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42. So 6 sevens are 42. Right? So we have multiplied 6 7 times to get 42. So 6 sevens are 42. So let's subtract this. 2 minus 2 0, 4 minus 4 is 0. So what is the remainder here? 0 is the remainder and 7 is the quotient. Quotient is nothing but the result of the division is called the quotient. So what is the answer here? 42 divided by 6 is 7. Yes. Second one, in 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3. The dividend is, which is a dividend here? 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3. So which is a dividend here? 24, 8 or 3? Yes, 24 is a dividend. So we'll write here 24. Next, in 45 divided by 9 is equal to 5. 9 indicates, so 9, what is this 9 here? 45 divided by 9 is equal to 5. What is this 9 here? Yes, it's a divisor. So we'll write here divisor. Okay. So next, in 72 divided by 8, the quotient is dash and the remainder is dash. So let's solve it to know which is the, what is the quotient and what is the remainder. Okay, 72 divided by 8. So we'll write here 72 divided by 8. Okay, so here, can you see this? First we have to take the one digit. So this digit 7 is smaller than the 8. So we cannot divide the 7 by 8. Right? What we have to do in this case? We have to move to the next number. So it will become 72. Now let's count the 8 table to get the 72. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 nines are 72. So 8 nines are 72. So we have multiplied 8 9 times to get 72. So 8 nines are 72. Let's subtract it. 2 minus 2 0, 7 minus 7 is 0. So what is the quotient here? 9. 9 is the quotient. And what is the remainder here? The 9 is the, the 0 is the remainder. 9 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. Understood, children? Okay. Now, children, come to the page number 104. Divide. So first one is, here you can see 88 divided by 2. Okay, let's solve it. So here I have written 88 divided by 2. Okay, now let's count the 2 table to get the number 8. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. Right? So here you can see this 8 is bigger than the 2. So we can divide 8 by 2 easily. Right? So 2 4s are 8. So here 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Right? 2 4s are 8. So we have multiplied 2 4 times to get 8. So we'll write here 4. 2 4s are 8. Yes. So 8 minus 8 is 0. So bring this 8 down. So write here 8. Now count the 2 table to get the number 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So 2 4s are 8. We have multiplied 2 4 times to get 8. So 4. So 2 4s are 8. Okay. So let's subtract it. 8 minus 8 is 0. 0 is 0. So what is the quotient here? 44. Understood? Now let's take another example here. 91 divided by 7. Okay. So 91 divided by 7. Right. So first here you can see the 9 is greater than the 7. So you can easily divide 9 by 7. Yes. So 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. So 14 is greater than this 9. So what we have to do? We have to take the lesser number. So here you can see 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. This 14 is greater than this 9. Yes. So we have to take the smaller number. So which is that? 7 1s are 7. So 7 1s are 7. Yes. So we have to write the answer below of this number only because we are solving this number. Okay. So let's subtract it. 9 minus 7 is how much? 2. Right. We'll write 2 here. Now you have to bring this 1 down. So it will become 21. Now let's count the 7 table to get the number 21. So let's count with me. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. Okay. You have to count the table till you get the number. Okay. If you are getting the highest number, then only you have to stop. You have to come to the lesser number. Then you have to write it. Okay. So here 7 3s are 21. So 7 3s are 21. Right. So we have we have multiplied 7 3 times to get the 21. So let's subtract it. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. So what is the quotient here? 13. Understood, children? So this is the 0 is the remainder. Understood? Now let's take another example here. 850 divided by 5. 850 divided by 5. So let's divide it. So here you can see the 8 is bigger than the 5. So you can easily divide 8 by 5. Right. So 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 10 is greater than this 8. So what we have to do? We have to come to the lesser number. So 5 1s are 5. So here you can see 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. So this 10 is bigger than the 8. So we have to come to the smaller number. Which is the smallest number? Before 10. Yes, 5. So 5 1s are 5. Right. So we'll write here 5 1s are 5. So let's subtract it. 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay. We'll write here 3. Yes. So next come to the next digit. You just bring down this digit here. So it will become 35 now. Now you have to count the 5 table till you get the number 35. If you have not got this number 35, then you have to take the smaller number, means lesser number. Okay. So 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 30. 5 7s are 35. So 5 7s are 35. So let's subtract it. 5 minus 5, 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now bring down the 0 here. Yes. So here this 0. So children, now see here, this 0 is smaller than this 5. So here we are not having any digit to take. Right. So here you can see, so it is 0 is smaller than the 5. So what we have to do? Yes, 5 1s are 5. 0 is not there in the 5 table. So in this case, you have to write this 0 here. You have to write this 0 directly here. Next, 5 0 0. Yes, as you know that the property of multiplication is 5 into 0 is equal to 0. So 5 into 0 is equal to 0. We have to write here. So let's subtract it. 0 minus 0, 0, 0, 0. Understood? So what is the answer here? 170. 170 is the quotient, whereas the 0 is the remainder. Understood, children? So in the same way, you try to solve these 3 remaining sums by yourself. Okay. Now children, come to the third main. Solve. 4 students can sit on a bench. How many benches are needed for 64 children to sit? So 4 students can sit on a one bench. Now you have to see that how many benches are needed for 64 children to sit. Okay, so let's solve it. So first we'll write the particulars, number of students. So how many students are there? 4 students, right? We'll write here 4. Next, number of children. So how many children are there? 64, right? Now we have to calculate the number of benches needed. Yes, so let's solve it. So 64 is divided by 4. Yes, because 64 children are needed to sit in the benches. We don't know how much benches we need, right? Because the 4 students can only sit on a single bench, right? So 64 divided by 4. Okay, so let's start solve it. So 6 is smaller or bigger than the 4. Yes, 6 is bigger than the 4. So we can easily divide 6 by 4. Right. So let's count the 4 table. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. So 4 twos are 8. 8 is greater than the 6. What we have to do? We have to take the lesser number. So 4 ones are 4. So we'll take 4 ones are 4. Okay. So we have to subtract it. 6 minus 4 is how much? Yes, it is 2. Now bring down this 4 here. It will become 24. Next, let's count the 4 table. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 six are 24. 4 6 are 24. So 4 6 are 24. Yes. So let's subtract it. 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. So what is the answer here? 16. Right. So number of benches needed. How many benches are needed? 16 benches. So we'll write here 16. Understood, children? So number of benches needed for 64 students or children to sit is 16. Okay. Now let's take another problem. So you can see 240 candles are arranged equally in 8 boxes. How many candles are there in each box? So 240 candles are arranged equally in 8 boxes. So you have to calculate that how many candles are there in each box. Okay. So let's write the particulars first. So number of candles. Number of candles is 240. So we'll write here 240. Right. Number of boxes 8. Yes, number of boxes are 8. So you have to calculate the number of candles in each box. How many candles are there in each box? So let's divide it. 240 divided by 8. Okay. So here you can see this 2 is smaller than the 8. So we cannot divide 2 by 8. We cannot divide this 2 by 8. So what we have to do? We have to take next number. So it will become 24. Now you have to count the 8 table to get the number 24. Okay, let's count with me. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. We got the number 24. So we have to stop there. Okay, 8 threes are 24. So we'll write here 8 threes are 24. Okay, so 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. Yes, what about this 2 now? Yes, children, what we have to do? Tell me. And this 0 will come, bring down. Yes, now the 0 is smaller than the 8. So we are not having any other number here to take it down, right? So what we have to do? We have to write this 0 here. So now 8 0 0. Yes, 8 0 0. Let's subtract it. 0 minus 0 0. 0 is 0 and 0 is 0. So what is the answer here? 30. So number of candles in each box is how much? It is 30. So number of candles in each box is 30. Understood, children? So children, in the same way, you try to solve these remaining problems by yourself. Okay.